that I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Understand, can you tell me why you made a war that was fighting now? If the war was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be better. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Good morning, guys. This is a day in my life, or something like that. Y'all, it's so junky, and my whole house is junky. Like, first of all, the reason why my kitchen is junky is because my husband started cleaning. My husband started cleaning the office. And the office had like boxes of stuff from when we moved in. My side was clean. His side still had boxes. One of the boxes was mine though. I just ain't know what to do with it. But so yeah, this is a desk that I broke when I was cleaning the office. It broke, so that was months ago. He took it out. All that stuff came out the office, and he just never got back to it. What I'm baking? Biscuits. The baby is sleeping. That's why I'm kind of whispering. My living room have my husband's laundry. And then y'all already know about the floors. They still can't find the floors to match the floors that we already have. I think they found them, but it took a while. First they couldn't find the floors. Okay. Then they end up finding the floors after 2 months. Because we had picked out other floors. We picked out some floors that'll match this floor as close as it got. And then they ended up finding these floors, these exact floors. Then they ordered them maybe like 2 weeks ago. We're waiting for that to come in. So soon as the floors are done, we could put stuff back. And now we could put stuff back in our closets. It's like shit everywhere, and it's getting on my nerves. It's really getting on my nerves. This is a fire pit that my husband bought. He seen it on Amazon, so he got it. He showed it to me, and I thought it was cute. It kind of resembled the one we already have. But it do a little extra. This, I ordered that. That's a Father's Day gift for my man. So that's, I told him not to open it until I'm not about to drag that. I mean, I will. I dragged it. No, so I dragged it in here. But I can drag it in the garage, but I'm not. Everything else in here, some herbs. And now we're about to eat breakfast. I'm about to cook breakfast because I'm hungry. Tracy said he's hungry. And then we might be going to the movies. I got to find a good time. I'm thinking tonight. That's what I'm thinking. Or maybe around, I don't know. I'm gonna look at the times because we all want to go see Inside Out too. So yeah, and then I'm gonna boil me some seafood. I got shrimp. I have crabs, I have lobster, I have potatoes. I did not get corn because I don't really like corn on the cob, but my husband do. And I was gonna get it for him, but I forgot. I just wanted to pop in, start the vlog, start the day in my life. I'm really not doing nothing. I'm just trying to, hey mama. I'm just trying to post more consistently before I quit YouTube, because I'm about to. But I'm gonna give it a try first. You wanna say good morning? Samar said good morning. She don't wanna be on camera. But anyway, I'm gonna holler back at y'all. Peace. Here's breakfast. It's so good. These grits are so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Those grits are so good. We cleaning up, y'all, cause I couldn't do it no more. I can't look at this house no more. We're not dirty, but it's junky in here. It is junky in here. And I'm getting disgusted.
Don't say that. Show them the house right now. They're gonna know it's not like that.
I showed them the junk in here.
Mama's
I just lit my candle.
Dad, tell Mom
Masala rose.
it's junky. Dramatic.
Anyway. So we cleaning up. Well, I'm holding the baby because Sanaa was holding the baby. I had to take the baby from Sanaa because Sanaa doing dishes. But I gotta try to sit her down or try to move something around so I can move around. Fixing the dog some food and fixing us some food. Boiling some snow crabs. They didn't have Dungeness crabs, but that's what I really like. Dungeness or king crab. I put some Slap Your Mo in there. I put some the zesty citrus. And I put some of the smashed garlic in there. Smashed garlic. Salt free. This one is salt free. And this one got salt. So these two just add flavor. And this with all the sodium coming in it. I usually don't use Slap Your Mo. I usually use crab oil. But I put a little bit of crab oil in there too. But yeah, so I'm gonna put I got crabs, I got 2 lobsters in there, I got a couple bell peppers in there. See, just a piece now.
noise and you feel it. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's little God did. Why now, focus, why now, no mind. Fall down like a ceiling. You know that I stand for you.
The movie went off in the middle of the movie. Sorry. We just finished the vlog. I mean the vlog. The movie.
It was kind of short, to be honest, but and then now we have to wait another 10 years, y'all.
We're in the alley, guys.
Let me see. No. Now we gotta wait another 10 years because they're making Riley grow up with us. You need that, Mom?
That is. That's a boardwalk. But it was good. On the way home, child, I got a piss like a Russian racehorse at the Kentucky Derby with a glue truck behind it. Bad. I'm done cooking. I just have to prep cook my salmon so it don't go bad. I need to cook some and then freeze some. Green tea matcha, but I thought it was going to be green in my cup because that's what I wanted, a matcha. But I put it in my cup and it was brown, I guess. I don't know. It was brown, I guess, because it's green tea. But I mixed it with some sweet cream creamer, oat milk sweet cream creamer. I put cold foam on it. I put a pump of white mocha and it is so good. And I put caramel chocolate drizzle and it is so... Where is it? Where my drink at? Oh, here you go. I still got my Starbucks cup. And it tastes just like a matcha. That is crazy. It tastes like a matcha, but it's not the matcha color. It's too good. But whenever I plate my man food, I show y'all. And then whenever he put his... Whenever we get his Father's Day gift together, I'm going to show y'all so I can close the vlog out. Say hey. My baby is hard at work making her dad another Father's Day gift. Oh, need some help?
Yeah.
Here, hold the baby. You're about to run and go get what?
Yeah.
It don't work so well.
Dinner for baby daddy. Baked beans, roast potatoes, mac and cheese, rice dressing. This for his man cave. Cause he had one but he got tired of it and something else. So he wanted no more. So I got him this.
I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad bitch, trying to take it slow.
In one of his little sessions with one of his little partners, they can put their drinks right there.
I said we only getting over, yeah. Tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a range about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say we're something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready. I just wanna know